How to delete all junk mail on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. The Mail app is a pre-installed application that allows users to manage emails from various accounts in one place. It offers features like adding multiple email accounts, composing, sending, and scheduling emails, and organizing emails into categories. Once you're here, go to the top left corner and go to Mailboxes. Then, go to the iCloud section and tap on Junk. You can view all your junk mails over here. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on Select. If you want to select all, tap on Select All at the top left corner. After that, tap on Delete at the bottom. Tap on Delete All again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete all junk mail on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.